yellow color, orange color, brown color, light blue color, red color, deep blue color, light green color and deep green color. I will use all the colors today. And little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to learn you how to draw a beautiful rainbow house. Here I am drawing a house with very easy way. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I completed to draw the house. Now it's time to color it. First one I am using the brown color. Now I am using the red color. Orange color. Yellow color, light green color, light blue color, deep green color, and deep blue color. Here I am using yellow color for the windows. Now I am using brown color for the door. And the last one I am using the light blue color for the whole house. Wow, the rainbow house is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!